Discipline is not something you are born with. It is something you build, one decision at a time. Here are 5 simple ways to build real discipline. Number 1, start small. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. One habit, one task, one small win. Small actions repeated daily create unstoppable discipline. Number 2, control your mornings. How you start your day controls how you live your day. Wake up at the same time, make your bed, move your body. A disciplined morning creates a disciplined mind. Number 3, remove distractions. Discipline is easier when temptation is far away. Put your phone down, turn notifications off, protect your focus. Focus is discipline in action. Number 4, keep promises to yourself. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," you weaken your self-trust. Do what you said you would do. Even when it's hard, self-trust is the foundation of discipline. Number 5, accept discomfort. Discipline means doing what's uncomfortable now so life can be easier later. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in consistency. Remember this: you don't need motivation every day. You need discipline every day. Build it slowly, practice it daily, and let your future self thank you.